Stabilisation and revegetation works has begun at the largest of 9 sites along the lower Caboolture River as one of Australia's largest nutrient offsetting and river rehabilitation projects reaches new heights. Across 9 sites, the Caboolture River Nutrient Offset Project, led by Unitywater, aims to reduce the nutrient input into the lower Caboolture River by preventing riverbank erosion caused by boat wash through the installation of impact log groins and soil stabilisation via vegetation planting. By 2026, the equivalent population serviced by our Burpengary East wastewater treatment plant is expected to grow from 52,000 to 74,000. As our community grows and the demand on our infrastructure increases, we need to proactively care for our waterways and offset the outputs of our community. That's why Unitywater is demonstrating care for our waterways through initiatives like this nutrient offsetting and river rehabilitation project. Spanning 283 metres of the lower Caboolture riverbank, Site 24, the largest of these 9 sites, has begun earthworks, moving 6,809 cubic metres of soil to batter-back sheer vertical banks. That's over 3,400 loads of the average ute. Once cleared, 84 log groins will be placed to protect the riverbank from the waves and the turbulence generated by boats. These structures will help disperse the force of waves before they reach the riverbank. The project has been lucky enough to reuse a number of logs from a nearby Unitywater infrastructure project. To further mitigate boat wash, over 220 mangrove seeds will be placed along the riverbank and more than 8,000 plants will be established in the area to stabilise the soil. Site 24 alone will offset approximately 430 kilograms of nutrients from the Caboolture River. Site B1, completed in April last year, is a testament to the incredible impact this project is having on the Caboolture River. In the past year, it has prevented 110 kilograms of nutrients from entering the waterways, and the 4,686 plants we planted are thriving. Across the entire project, we'll be planting 43,480 soil stabilising plants, placing 444 erosion-reducing logs, and preventing 1,600 kilograms of nutrients from entering our waterways.